We basically just have this hooked up to a cigarette lighter, hooked to a car battery for power. And with the remote, we will hit open. That's pretty freaking cool. Obviously, I would have this on my keychain. If I was, you know, from this point forward, it will be on the keychain, but it's just open and close. Hopefully you can read it. I don't know if it's going to be. Anyway. That's pretty cool. So that's with the exhaust hooked up. Now open. Totally worth it. Totally worth it. My neighbors are going to love me. Oh, you can also incrementally open it. That's just cool. That's worth it. Now all I can do is stand there and, well, sit here and look at it. That is just so cool.